Cleaning of the solar panels. So typically most solar panel installations won't require cleaning. Typically panels that do require more frequent cleaning are ones that are installed at a lesser angle or a shallower pitch. So anything some sort of 5 to 15 degrees, we typically find after a couple of years that some debris can build up along the aluminium extrusion. And then very slowly over time that debris builds up and starts to encroach on the cell. With the M-phase microinverter system, you'll see this quite early because the panels will slowly start to degrade and you won't see the performance you was expecting. With a string system, this is something you won't see because you'll just see a whole system, you'll just see a lower output, and it's very difficult to actually diagnose. Now, cleaning of the panels is normally done by rain. A typical pitch roof system probably won't need cleaning for at least 5, if not 6 years. But again, you'd see this because you'd see the performance degradation, and you can look from the ground and see if the panels require cleaning. On the lesser pitch panels, on the ones that are sloped between 5 and sort of 15 degrees, panels can be cleaned by just using normal water. Now ideally, in a perfect world, you'd use deionised water because what you don't want to use is tap water. Here in Kent, we suffer from very, very hard water. Cleaning the panels on the hot day could leave a nasty limescale scum actually over the panels. The panels don't need scrubbing and you shouldn't use detergent on them. But sometimes a squeegee can be used just to get that most persistent bird dirt off of the panels.
JPS Energy, there for the journey.